Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to give you another tutorial with the AKASO cameras. Now I'm using the Brave 7LE today, but the concept will work with all of these cameras. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Let me throw in action camera videos. You have definitely come to the right channel. So today we're going to show you, okay, let me back up. I can't remember who left the comment. I'll put it on the screen somewhere, give them a little bit of props there. But I had a question, I had a comment on one of my videos dealing with the AKASO cameras. And the question was, how do you shoot vertical videos with the action camera? Now, I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to show you, and then we're going to get from outside. We're going to get inside, and I'm going to show you how to do it all. But it's a 2, maybe 3-step process, but it's doable. So we have the AKASO EK7000, or excuse me, the AKASO Brave 7LE today. So I'm going to clean the lens off a little bit so I can see it better because it's a little bit dirty. And I have my mic hooked up just because I want you to be able to hear what I'm doing. So let me turn it on. So we have our Brave 7LE. Let me flip it around to selfie mode. Alright, so now I can see me in the front screen. Now, the concept of this is very simple. This is not a very hard process. Now, what it's going to depend on, well, really doesn't matter. Whatever editing software you use. If you have an iPhone, that's the tutorial that I'm going to show you. Now, if you don't have an iPhone, this might be a little bit different, but it's going to be the same premise. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. All right, so I've got my mic hooked up, and I've just got it hooked up to my tripod here in front of me, so you'll be able to hear it. But I'm just going to hold this camera. Actually, let me go back in and flip over and make sure I am hooked up to my external mic. All right, there we go. Now, we've got the image stabilization, we've got the wind reduction. So let's go back over to selfie mode so I can make sure that I am in the camera. I'm just going to hold it up in front of me, like so. Alright, so now I know I am in screen, so I'm going to take it out of selfie mode, put it back where you guys can see what's recording, and I'm going to cut all this in together so you'll be able to see it. But I'm just going to record a short video of me talking to the camera vertically. Now, if I were to take this and just transfer it over to my phone, of course it's going to have me sideways. It's going to have me in that 16:9 ratio, or whatever the number is, sideways, 9:16, whatever it is. Anyway, I never look at the numbers. So it's going to have me horizontal. It's going to have me turn sideways. But I'm going to show you in just a little while. I'm just doing a short video here. What's up? Yeah, so this is our test video. Now I'm just going to turn this off. So that recording is over, and now I can just power my camera down. I'm not going to show you, I'll do that off camera, transferring my video from here to my phone. I've done videos on that before, so if you're curious about that, I'll have them in the end screen. I may put a card up top where you can go watch that video. I've got a whole playlist about action cameras and tutorials on these action cameras, a lot of tutorials on the AKASO brand. It is by far my favorite brand. Definitely budget friendly. It's not going to run you nearly the price of the big name brand action camera, but you can do all the same stuff with it. I highly recommend the external mic for these cameras if you're doing any kind of recording where you need to hear audio, just because it does so much better. So I'm not going to show the transferring of this video to my phone. I'm probably just going to screen record and then do a voiceover to kind of walk you through what I'm doing. But because if you're new to my channel, I do all of my videoing from my iPhone. so I can't record and do stuff on my phone and record me doing it, so I'm just gonna have to do like a voiceover or something. So, but it's a very simple process. I have done it before, but like I said, the question came up in one of my videos as a comment, and I wanted to show you guys how to do that. If you're curious about this setup here, this is the Joby 325 tripod. I think it's 325 tripod, and the Brave 7LE from AKASO with the AKASO external mic. But like I said, this will work on any of the AKASO cameras. It'll actually work on any action camera, period. But like I said, I'm showing it on the AKASO. The Brave 7LE is one that has a tripod mount on the bottom, so I can mount it straight to a tripod without needing any kind of case or attachment point. So there's that. So now, without this video going super duper long, I'm gonna cut here, and then next time you see me, we will be inside, and I will just do screen record to show you the rest. So I'll go ahead and clip. All right, guys, once on your phone, you hit the edit button, and then you hit the rotate button. You will just rotate it until it is in the vertical position you want. Hit done. Now this is for iPhone, and save that video in the vertical position, and boom, there you go. Video of me talking to the camera vertically. Now if I were to take this and just transfer it over to my phone, of course it's going to have me sideways. It's going to have me in that 16:9 ratio. All right, guys, I'm back, and I hope you found that video helpful. I hope you found this video useful. If you find the need to record with your action camera in a vertical position, I know there's a lot of apps that are out there doing the vertical stuff, whether it be TikTok, whether it be Instagram, YouTube Shorts, all that kind of thing. And if that's the kind of place you want to go with your videos, being able to do it with your action camera is awesome. So being able to show you how to do that is helpful. So if you found that helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Share this video with somebody else that may be coming up with that question. Share this video. Comment below. Have you ever wondered how to do it? Do you have any interest in it? Whatever. What brought you to this video? Comment that below. I'd love to know how you got here, how you found me, especially if you're new to my channel. And I think that's it. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.